Good evening to you. Christmas Eve, but there's not a lot to be jolly about as far as the weather's concerned. We have some very poor conditions for a large part of the United Kingdom. Strong winds and heavy rain, the winds gusting up at around 70 miles an hour in certain places, even more than that. And the heavy rain has caused all kinds of flood problems, and there's a risk of further flooding later on tonight. You can see from our radar picture and our satellite picture combined, there's no shortage of water. There is going to be some more rain around for the next 3 or 4 hours, but hopefully the worst of the rain moving away into the North Sea in the second half of the night. But many of the rivers for southern Wales and southwest England, those that haven't already flooded, some are very close to it on red alerts. And if you need some advice, you can contact this number, 0845 988 1188, certainly to get some advice. Now the winds, as I mentioned, are also quite strong, and particularly strong, I think, across the more central parts of England, but also strong in the English Channel. And that has an added problem because here we have some exceptionally high tides tonight, ranging from around now in Cornwall, the high tide, to around midnight in the eastern side of southern England, and there's a risk of some coastal flooding because of the strength of the wind and the high tide. A lot of rain, as I've mentioned, that will move through and turn a bit more showery in the second half of the night. The area of low pressure moving across parts of Scotland, meeting the colder air, and that gives us a problem because it will bring some snow, especially for northern Scotland tonight and tomorrow. And with those strong winds, that snow will blow around, causing blizzard conditions. So the weather is not good for tonight, but for Christmas Day, perhaps a little bit more in the way of sunshine. We will see a few showers around, some of those showers turning a little bit wintry, so for those children, perhaps even a little bit of the white stuff, mainly for the hills of northern England and across parts of Scotland. Blustery winds with us all the time, and we are going to keep temperatures down to, well, perhaps 8 or 9 degrees will be the best in the south. And the outlook a little bit further ahead, well, this area of low pressure does move out the way. The isobars open up a little bit, so hopefully it will become a little bit less windy, but there is another area of low pressure coming in on Boxing Day, and that could well bring some more rain to those areas very badly affected. Have a good Christmas. Bye for now.